To the UK now, and Prime Minister Boris Johnson is under mounting pressure over the country's coronavirus testing system, with England recording its highest daily number of cases since May. London Bureau Chief Samantha Hawley joins us now. Good morning, Sam. What's gone so wrong?
I think the better question is what's going right.
Yeah.
And not much at the moment, I don't think, Lisa. I mean, the case numbers in the last 24 hours is up around 4,000, as you say, the highest number that we've seen since May. But the biggest concern now, I think, is that the testing system is really falling over, and even Boris Johnson himself has said that there's been a colossal spike in the number of people seeking tests, and basically the system just can't keep up. The labs are full. There's a backlog in the labs. People are queuing up to be tested, and they just can't get the tests that they need. Now, there's a few reasons for that, of course. One, because the infection rate is going up, the cases are going up. Over the last 10 days, I think, Lisa, it's been around 3,000. We're now seeing around 4,000. But of course, schools are going back as well. So all the kids are flowing back into the schools, the universities are back. And with that, inevitably comes illness, colds, flus, not just coronavirus. And so all of those people who have any symptoms are trying to get tests. Now, I mean, anecdotally, Lisa, I can tell you, even in my own household, we had a 39-degree temperature among us a few days ago, rang the NHS, said, what should we do? And they said, don't get a test, just one symptom. So we didn't get a test, but even if we wanted to get a test, basically we couldn't have got it. So there's a big problem there, because if you can't test, you can't track and trace, and then of course you don't know where the virus is, and it gets a bit out of control. So Boris Johnson's got a pretty big problem, I think, on his hands right now.
So Sam, are you looking at another lockdown?
Boris Johnson has said today, absolutely, he does not want a second lockdown. It would be devastating for the economy. So he's basically ruled that out. They brought in some more restrictions last week. You can't meet with more than 6 people at a time, either indoors or outdoors. Now, if that doesn't work, we'll know in about 3 weeks if it's working or not. I think they will bring in more restrictions, but I think national lockdown is the absolute last resort, and I feel like Boris Johnson just won't go there, because he feels like the economy will completely collapse, and he can't let that happen.
All right, Sam, thanks.